In a groundbreaking move that underscores growing concerns about preserving space heritage, the Moon has been added to the World Monuments Fund Global Watch List. This marks the first time in history that an extraterrestrial body has been included on this prestigious list of heritage sites requiring protection and preservation. While the initial nomination focused solely on Tranquility Base, the historic Apollo 11 landing site, the final designation was expanded to encompass the entire Moon. This comprehensive approach acknowledges over 90 distinct sites that represent humanity's presence on the lunar surface, from the first Russian probe that made contact in 1959 to the footprints left by Apollo astronauts. The timing of this designation is particularly crucial as we enter a new era of lunar exploration. With multiple commercial missions planned and NASA's Artemis program on the horizon, there's mounting concern about potential damage to these irreplaceable historic sites. The threats range from lunar dust displacement caused by nearby landings to the possibility of looting valuable artifacts from sites like the Apollo landing areas. Space archaeologist Dr. Alice Gorman emphasizes that the increased traffic to the Moon poses significant risks. The sharp, abrasive lunar dust can gradually wear away at these cultural heritage sites, even from activities conducted at a considerable distance. There's also growing concern about the commercial space tourism industry and future lunar mining operations potentially impacting these historic locations. The designation serves multiple purposes beyond mere recognition. It puts the international space community on notice and highlights the urgent need for protective measures. Experts are now calling for the implementation of environmental impact assessment processes similar to those we use on Earth to ensure commercial operators are held accountable for preserving these sites. This move comes at a critical juncture, with several commercial lunar missions already underway or planned for the near future. Companies like Firefly, iSpace, Intuitive Machines, and others are all preparing to make their mark on the lunar surface. The challenge now lies in balancing this new wave of exploration with the preservation of humanity's existing lunar heritage. As space archaeologists and preservation experts work to establish robust international regulations, the message is clear. The Moon's historic sites belong to all of humanity and deserve protection for future generations. This isn't just about preserving physical artifacts. It's about safeguarding humanity's first steps into space exploration,